Hey guys, it's 8:45. I have the same bars, the little peanut butter crackers, and rices, and almond milk, and Gaga, and Pete over there. And Meryl is back there. And Meryl is under.
Merle, get down. I see you.
And Merle is
I
back,
see you.
And then Merle is back up there, and Merle is back up there, and
There's Pete.
Pete. And you.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm having the same cereal. It's the vanilla, the banana, the dark chocolate granola, raisins, almond milk, coffee.
These are good.
Good. And my water. And Timu Mizumi. And good morning, friends.
Hey guys, Angry Birds rails. Fix wiper.
What do you want me to do?
Put wiper back.
Okay. He doesn't want to go. I don't know how you got all these up there.
Me?
Hey, Merle. You hanging out being fancy? Cool. I'm gonna go fix lunch, boo boo. Okay? Still in my Christmas attire. Looking like a super cool human being.
Let's show the other guys how you put the other first.
Okay. You work on that while I fix lunch, okay?
But I want you to show me.
I'll show 'em when you're done.
Leave them.
Okay?
Wave the guys.
Leave the guys. It's already recorded.
You can see them better.
Are you gonna talk?
Yay. Hey guys, I put the pigs on and the birds. Go fix lunch. I do this.
Hey guys, it's 11:57 and Marshall's having a Boca chicken patty cut up
No, nuggets.
nuggets and some peas and some late July sweet potato chips and some ketchup and a fork and a spoon and a napkin and water and his Angry Birds and a pig.
And bluebird and yellow bird and pig. And pig. No, I'm missing one.
Okay. And
I still have the Angry Birds up there.
Yeah. And I'm having a Boca burger on Ezekiel English muffin with some romaine lettuce and some ketchup and some late July red mojo chips and Mozevia. And there's Pete. And I'm guessing a deer somewhere out there.
Hey guys, it's 2:15 of the same bar. Almond milk. And you.
Okay.
And I'm watching Team Ooey Zooey. You.
Yeah, and I'm having the same thing I had for breakfast and my water.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I just wanted to point out whenever I'm getting our food together or whatnot, Marshall turns this candle on. It has an on and off switch and a timer or whatnot. But I just think it's so cute
And
that he always makes
switch.
sure to turn it on. I think it's cute.
And cereal with everything else in it.
Yeah, my cereal with everything in it. This is a vanilla cereal with the dark chocolate granola, banana, and almond milk.
And that's the guys are watching.
And we're watching Tina and Izumi. And we got a big mess to clean up after we eat, but that's okay. Okay. Hey guys, it's about 5:15 and I just got back from my 3-mile run. And before that I did my 6-minute workout. And now I'm gonna have me a handful of peanuts.
Look, he can dance. Look, watch this.
Oh wow. He's a good dancer.
Hey guys, it's 12:40.
12:40. Close. 5:58.
Hey guys, it's 5:58. I have the same bars and almond milk and cups and our play cornhole frog with you.
Okay. Yeah. We'll do that after we eat. No, I've got 4 of them and my sweater.
All the secrets I've been keeping, casting off of my balcony. I hope you notice that I'm still in love with you. Yes,
Hi guys, it's 12:40.
It's a late dinner.
What number is it?
It is 7:54.
Hey guys, it's 7:54. Same peas and rice and nuggets and beans and spoon and fork and almond milk and napkin and fork and spoon.
Do you still like peas? Do you like peas? Okay, that's good. You've had a lot of them. You guys, we're having wild rice. I'm having the Japanese blend veggies. And these are those beefless chips. The gardenian, we've never had them before. What do you think? Do you like it? You don't?
Let me see.
Not good?
No, not for me.
Okay. Let me see. They're okay for us, but I can see why he wouldn't like them.
They're okay. All right. So I guess the chicken ones are better.
Use your napkin. Don't wipe your hands on the
I'm not
chair.
gonna eat those.
You don't have to
Okay.
eat around
Okay,
it.
get them
Let me get them. Let me get them.
Hey guys, we just got done with dinner and we are gonna have
I already white and brown.
white and brown, otherwise known as ice cream sandwiches. So delicious. Alright guys, so that is everything we ate today and whatnot. So thank you for joining us and playing in the rain with us. That was a lot of fun and we hope to see you tomorrow for...
I want you to do it.
You want me to do it?
And go round, round.
You want to do it together?
Do it again.
Okay.
You have to go round.
Okay,
You have to run around.
we hope you have a fantastic day and we hope to see you tomorrow for breakfast, 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 breakfast.